Have you ever seen such a fun programming robot? Hundreds of building blocks in the city, all of which were assembled by Dabao himself. It's this school entry set. It is classified by age group. Large pieces for 3 to 5 years old. Small pieces for 6 to 7. For 8 to 9 years old, there's a graphic programming set. An intelligent programming kits for over 10 years old. It has a professional classroom system and practical teaching, systematic scheduling, preparation, videos, and feedback. It can help children understand the structure of building blocks, building and programming principles. It can control the robot's movement. Some joints of the robot can move. The mobile app can also be operated via Bluetooth. It also has programming functions. The robot will rotate according to the instructions. It's really fun.